Do you want to learn how to cut and sew this bubu or kaftan with side slit? Let's dive into the tutorial. So I'll be making use of this floral fabric. Okay, I'm using about 2.5 yards. So I've folded the fabric into two like so, the right side facing each other, and I folded it once more. That means the folding is into 4 places because I'll be cutting both the front piece and back piece together. So right now I'll be marking my start line, which is 1/2 inch, okay, and I've drawn a straight line across. Right now I'll be marking my neck line, okay. So my neck width, I'll be using 3.5 inches, and for the neck depth I'll be making use of 4 inches, okay. This will make it easy to be able to wear the dress, okay. So I'll be using my tailor's chalk to make the curve. If you have a French curve, you can also make use of it. So right now I'll be marking my shoulder slope. For my shoulder slope, I'll be using 1.5 inches, okay. And I'll also use the roller to draw a line across, okay. So right now for my armhole or sleeve circumference, I'll be using 8 inches, and I've marked that, and I'll be adding 2 inches, okay, for the seam allowance. All right. So right now on my chest line, I'll be marking my bust circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches ease allowance and 3 inches seam allowance, okay. So right now I'm marking my vertical measurements, my half length, which is 15 inches, and my hip line, which is 23 inches, okay. So on the half length line, I'll be marking my waist circumference divided by 4, okay, and add my ease allowance of 2 inches and 3 inches for my seam allowance. On the hip line, I will be marking my hip circumference divided by 4 and 2 inches for ease allowance and 3 inches for seam allowance. I'll be connecting the armhole to the waistline and to the hip line. The full length of the kaftan is 56 inches, including my hem allowance. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line across. And then I'll be going up by 14.5 inches, and that's going to be for my slit. So now on my hip line, I'm going to mark the same measurement which I have on my hip line on the hem line, okay, but I'll be going in by 1.5 inches because I'll be making a curve, okay, from the hem line and connect it up to where the slit is going to start from, okay. This is going to give it like a nice outcome, okay. And now from the hip line, I'm going to draw a straight line up to where I'm going to have my slit, okay. So right now I'm just going to cut it out. It's as simple as what I've done. So now remember that the fabric is folded into 4 places. So I'm going to be opening up that particular folded part and cut the fabric out. I'm done cutting, and I'll go ahead now and unfold the fabric. Remember, we cut both the front and back piece together, so I will join the shoulder now before turning the neckline with bias. So I'm done joining the shoulder, and I will turn the fabric to the right side and use the bias, okay, to join the neck round. So after I've done this, I'm going to fold in the bias this way, right to the wrong side, and run stitch round, okay? So I'm done with that as well. You can see what it's looking like. So right now I'm going to fold in the sleeve this way, okay, and run stitch across. All right, fold it in, fold in half inch and fold again, okay. I'm done running stitch on the sleeve, and I'm going to use my office pin now to secure the two ends of the fabric, okay. I've turned it to the wrong side so I can join the sides. So what I'm doing now is to use a pin to hold the sides together. It's a slippery fabric, so I have to do this. So I'm taking the armhole again, or the sleeve circumference. So I'm marking, I think, about 7.5 inches. So remember, I gave 3 inches allowance at the chest line, so I'm just going to take the 3 inches and then just make curve, okay. So I'm going to be marking 3 inches, which I've taken for the seam allowance. I'll be marking it, and using the tailor's chalk to mark round. At the point where the slit is going to start from, I'm going to mark 2 inches, okay, and not 3 inches, because I want it to be free, like freedom of movement, okay. Remember, it's Bubu, okay. So I'm just going to connect that up to my hip line where I have 3 inches marked for my seam allowance. So right now we'll be joining the sides on the sewing machine. I've joined the sides, and this is what it looks like, okay, up to where I have my slit starting from. So where I have my slit starting from now, I'm going to weave the fabric, okay. After weaving, I'm just going to fold in by like half an inch and sew round, okay. I've ironed it out, and this is the outcome of the kaftan or bubu dress. You can see what it looks like, the neckline, the sleeve, and the slit. It's looking so beautiful. This is a very simple tutorial, okay. I'm sure you're going to try it out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, and Jesus loves you.